Good day, YouTubers. Michael Steinmates here. See, this is a package that came on my bed, and let's open it up and find out. Well, that's why it's very, very interesting. So, I believe this is the DVD I've been waiting for is Doctor Who Invasion of the Dinosaurs. Ooh, this is the best and the worst. Wow. Looks like Jurassic Park. Wow. Well, that's why it was before. There's a third Doctor, John Pertwee here, and Elizabeth Sladen, Sarah Jane Smith. Look on the back. Story number 71. Returning to London, the Doctor and Sarah Jane finds a city almost completely devoured of life as the civilians' popularity has been evacuated. And in the wake of an unimaginable event, somehow dinosaurs have returned to terrorize the Earth as the Brigadier and units find off in blah 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 blah. That's what it is. So there's DVD extras, audio commentary with the actor Richard Franklin plays Captain Mike Yates, Peter Miles plays Professor Whitaker, and Terrence Wilton plays Mark. This is very good. And the director, Patty Russell. And John Levine plays Sergeant Benton. And deleted and extended scenes. Now and then. And he looks the same. And Billy Smart Circus with John Pertwee. Doctor Who Stories, Elizabeth Sladen, Part 1. Attention to play Part 1 in a new color recovered vision to pre-exiting black and white version. And photo gallery and PDF materials, radio times listings. This is so cool. So I can't wait to watch this. And it says starring John Pertwee and Elizabeth Sladen, written by Malcolm Hulke, directed by Patty Russell, produced by Barry Litz, and incidental music by Diddley Simpson. Originally transmitted in January 12th to February 16th, 1974. Looks like it's a final season of John Pertwee being the Doctor before Tom Baker took over. Look inside the case and see how it is. And some kind of it's a recycled material. So there's a disc. Disc 1 is Invasion of the Dinosaurs. Approximately 148 minutes, and disc 2, 66 minutes of extras. Aspect ratio 4.3. Yeah. It's 4.3. Aspect ratio is 4.3 with mono audio. That looks good. Well, might as well watch this one and get back to you in a little while. I don't know when Planet of the Spiders is coming back, so... And probably the Mark of Irani is coming back in about next week. So, this is Michael Steinmates, and I hope you enjoyed the video. See you next time. Bye-bye.